Yeah, guys. So in the last video, we just opened this Appium screen here. So if you clearly observe, there is a pre-releases for the latest version 1.17.1. So these pre-releases we are not supposed to install. So here, the latest release is a v1.15.1. So this is the version which you need to install. Again, you need to download this stuff which is related to our Mac machine. So here APM Mac 1.15.1.dmg. Once after you have successfully installed that one, you can find this APM on your machine. Okay, cool. So let me open up my running notes and show you what else we need. So we have a completed Java, Eclipse, Xcode, APM desktop, and the last one is a Node.js. Go to the Node.js official website. See here, I'm launching the Node.js official website here, directly the downloads screen. And from here, download the Node.js, which is related to the Mac OS. So I hit it, there's a first link. Okay, let me navigate to that. So this is the screen, and here I just want to download the Node.js related to my Mac. So here, Mac installer packages 64-bit. Click on that and install it. How would you confirm whether the Node.js is installed or not? Means open the terminal. See, I'm just launching my terminal and I am cross-checking whether the Node.js is successfully installed or not using node-version and npm-v. Node-v and npm-v are the two different commands. See here, node-v. So it is displaying as a node version, and the same way npm-v. So it is displaying as the version. The reason why we need this node is basically the APM on a Mac, you need to install bunch of components from the node itself. So that's the reason Node.js installation is a mandatory for us. So I have downloaded the file from the Node.js official website and I have installed that. And after that, I'm confirming in my terminal whether the Node.js got installed or not. And here it is displaying these versions as a Node.js got successfully installed. So these are all the various prerequisites which we need in order to work on APM configuration. In the next session, we will see what exactly the core configuration required for us to work on APM. That's all I have for today, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.